Okay. Alright. Thank you. Alright. Okay, bye-bye. Hi, I'm Joyce from 𝗟𝗲𝗁𝗍𝗲. Today I work from home like you guys. Now a lot of people, they are working from home using iPad and also some tablets. Like me, I'm using iPad, and I feel the iPad screen is quite fragile. If you're not carefully handling it, will might easily break when you drop it. So today, I would like to introduce you a genuine leather case. This case is 100% made by 𝐂𝐚𝐝, and there's a protector inside. This is my iPad. See, it's safe. So when you are not carefully or drop it, it's still safe. Don't worry. And someone will ask me, if my iPad or tablet with the cover, then how? So I will show you. Even with the cover, the size is still nice for you to keep it safe. So if you are interested, you can click the link below.